Hello students and welcome to Standard 9th Mathematics Digital class. Today we'll continue with Chapter 3 Polynomials of Maths 1. In the last video we have learned definition of polynomial, types of polynomial based on terms, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial, degree of polynomial, types of polynomial based on degree, that is linear, quadratic, cubic polynomial. Coefficient of polynomial. Let's recall. Coefficient of polynomial is the number multiplied or associated with the variable. Let's understand it with the help of an example. X raised to power 4 minus 3x square plus x plus 5 is a given polynomial. Let's see the coefficient of each term of the above polynomial. The number multiplied to x raised to power 4 is 1. Therefore, the coefficient of x raised to power 4 is 1. The number multiplied to x square is negative 3. Therefore, the coefficient of x square is negative 3. The number multiplied with x is 1 and therefore its coefficient is 1. For the last term, that is the constant term, coefficient is 5. Standard form of a polynomial. If p of x equals to x minus 3x square plus 5 plus x raised to power 4 is a polynomial in x, it can be written in descending powers of its variable as x raised to power 4 minus 3x square plus x plus 5. This is called the standard form of the polynomial. Let's see one more example. Write the polynomial 4x square plus 7x raised to power 4 minus x cube minus x plus 9 in standard form. The descending order of powers of variable x are 7x raised to power 4 minus x cube plus 4x square minus x plus 9. So therefore, solution 7x raised to power 4 minus x cube plus 4x square minus x plus 9 is the standard form of polynomial 4x square plus 7x raised to power 4 minus x cube minus x plus 9. Index form of a polynomial. Let's understand this with an example. In polynomial x raised to power 4 minus 3x square plus x plus 5, there is no term having power 3 of the variable x, which we can write as 0x cube. It can be added to the polynomial and it can be rewritten as x raised to power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 5, which is the index form of the given polynomial. Let's see one more example. 3m raised to power 5 plus 5m cube minus 7m plus 2. Represent it in index form. Solution. In this polynomial, there is no term having power 4 and 2. So, adding 0m raised to power 4 and 0m square. Therefore, the index form of the given polynomial is 3m raised to power 5 plus 0m raised to power 4 plus 5m cube plus 0m square minus 7m plus 2. Coefficient form of a polynomial. To write the coefficients of the variables by considering all the missing terms in the standard form of the polynomial. For example, x cube minus 3x square plus 0x minus 8 can be written as bracket 1 comma negative 3 comma 0 comma negative 8 bracket close. This form of the polynomial is called coefficient form. A polynomial given in coefficient form can be written by using a variable. This form is called index form of the polynomial. For example, bracket 4 comma 0 comma negative 5 comma 0 comma 1 can be written by using variable y as 4y raised to power 4 plus 0y cube minus 5y square plus 0y plus 1. This form is called index form of the polynomial. Now let's see the steps of writing a polynomial in coefficient form with an example. Suppose P of m is equal to 3m raised to power 5 minus 7m plus 5m cube plus 2. So the first step is to write the polynomial in standard form. Now the standard form of the given polynomial is, we have to write in descending powers of the variable m. So 3m raised to power 5 plus 5m cube minus 7m plus 2 is the standard form of the given polynomial. Second step, write it in the index form by considering all the missing terms with coefficient 0. So here 4 power and second power are missing. So we will add 0m raised to power 4 and 0m square in the standard form of the polynomial. So the answer is 3m raised to power 5 plus 0m raised to power 4 plus 5m cube plus 0m square minus 7m plus 2. The next step is write it in a coefficient form. So we have to write the coefficients of all the terms inside bracket separated by comma. So here bracket 3 comma 0 comma 5 comma 0 negative 5 comma 2 is the coefficient form of the given polynomial. Now the degree of the polynomial is 5. Hope you have understood the standard form, the index form and the coefficient form of a polynomial. Thank you.